Oke, ini Hogwarts. Oh, bagus. Menjadi penyihir. Mana sih gue yang tadi? Pakai baju gue yang tadi. Oke. Hari ini gue akan menjadi penyihir di game. Nah, ini musiknya udah mantep banget. Oke. Ini bisa dibuka nggak game ya? Killua, sesuai request Anda, saya akan menjadi penyihir. Killuanya mana sih? Akhirnya, aku tunggu-tunggu. Ini yang lo tunggu-tunggu. Bentar, game-nya nge-stuck ya lo? Bentar Kila. Oh, game-nya nge-stuck ya? Ini gue harus lanjut apa ya? Deng, malam-malam ini jadi penyihir. Betul sekali. Betul sekali, karena gue adalah penyihir. Tunggu bentar. Ini nggak bisa gerak ini. Killua tolong bantu Killua. Killua tolong bantu dulu. Ini gue nggak ngerti ini. Gue harus mencet apa? Oh, ini nge-stuck? Tunggu sebentar. Tunggu sebentar. Kita ulang ya gamenya ya. Ada sedikit kesalahan ini. Petir aja udah. Apa tuh? Tuhan pun gak ngerestui betul. Ini kayaknya nih. Kenapa sih ini? Epic, please lah Epic. Kenapa sih Epic? Drama bet. Gak drama bro. Oke, gue TW malu sekarang. Gak gitu. Tapi ini kenapa sih gue malah nge-stuck, men? Ulti Raja udah ketemu belum, Bang? Belum, Gal. Aduh, sabar. Ini kenapa gue jadi... Men, nge-stuck, men. Sumpah, men. Apa sih cara mencet? Sabar. Salah Epic nih. Epic, kenapa sih, Epic? Wah, Epic. Kacau ini. Enggak, ini beneran ini. Salah Epic ini. Nah, udah ke-back dia. Sabar ya. Sabar. Ulang lagi. Jujur lu saking cupunya ganti game juga lu percuma. Apalagi sih lu mau gue ganti game tadi Hogwarts. Nih udah gue mainin Hogwarts. Lu rese lagi. Lu mau lu apa, men? Aduh, ini juga sabar ya. Hogwarts Legacy-nya lagi dibuka. Tunggu ya sebentar ya. Epic. Kacau nih Epic nih. Kenapa sih Epic selalu kayak gini? Jadi kecewa nih gue sama Epic. Display capture-nya mati nih. Pik. Tipe penyihir yang semuanya langsung diabrakadabra, betul. Karena kan kita harus mencoba semua spell gitu kan ke siapapun. Ayo Pik, mana Pik? Nah, ini dia gamenya sudah kembali. Akhirnya Hogwarts. Oh my. Before playing a very small version, light flashing, flashlight, playground, computer screen. Oke. Ngerti. Upgrade PC bang. PC gue ada upgrade bro. Kemarin kan baru upgrade.
Menu reader. Off. Press space bar to toggle.
Oke.
Accessibility off. Menu reader.
Off aja nggak sih? F continue. Sabar ya, ini baru mulai nih, sabar ya. F accept. Pengikut Voldemort sini. Enggak, gue jujur nggak kurang ikutin sih gue. Skip. Ini game berbayar ya? Ini game lagi gratis sampai tanggal berapa ya? Gue lupa tanggalnya. Kayak 18. Downloadnya di ini, coba di Epic. Lu mirip temennya Voldemort bang, yang namanya Uchiha. Woi sumpah, diem lah. Iya tuh sampai 18 tuh bener kata Sasa tuh. Ini apa sih? Oh, ini ada ginian lagi. Yaudah. Klaim dulu aja. Priscalia. Mumpung free ya, betul. Klaim dulu aja. Semoga gue kayak orang gak bisa baca dah. 1 September. We are pleased to inform you that you have been accepted at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry as 5th year student. Terms begin on 1 September. Permanently supply has been collected. You will accompany your journey to the castle as you may aware. The diagram of the reasonable agree allow Profesor Eleazar kenal Eleazar Vick to help you hone your spell casting before escorting you from London to the castle for the start of term feast and the sorting ceremony. Your sincerely, Professor Wesley. Uzumaki batu banget, sumpah gulam, batu. Lu baru datang udah batu, tolonglah. Tolong drop out aja ini Mr. Dumbledore. Tunggu bentar, nih baru mulai, santai. Gue milih karakter. Oh, gue bisa milih karakter. Oh, ini mirip gue nih. Ini cewek. Oke, ini mirip gue. Kita ganti. Coba gue lihat. Oh, ini gue. Enggak, ini bukan gue. Ini gue. Kacamata. Gue pakai kacamata. Gue ya ini gue mirip gue. Yang ini bener mirip gue. Coba rambutnya kita. Enggak. Yang tadi mana sih yang tadi? Nah, ini bagus ini. Hair color. Oh, ini bagus sih ya. Oke, ini bagus. Gila, ini mirip gue. Di Konro brewoknya bro sampai ada jangan jorok kayak gitulah maksudnya bro. Kayak kita lagi fokus men, ini lagi milih magic men. Ini nggak kelihatan skarnya. Buset, ini kayak Shanks. Gue emang Shanks sih, jujur gue kayak Shanks. Ini jangan. Ini keren. Tapi berlebihan sih jujur, ini kayak dicakar kucing, ini jangan. Aduh, Kizoro. Ini. Oh iya, ini bagus. Complex. Action. Action apa sih? Nggak usah ketawa, Kilua. Nggak usah ketawa, itu nggak lucu. Itu komen G selalu nggak lucu, men. Alis, ya alisnya kayak gue lagi. Ini alisnya kayak gue banget. Kayak gue banget ini alisnya. Ah, ini bagus. Oh, eye color bisa ganti eye color. Iya, matanya kayak gue juga ini. Eyebrow, ini aja udah. Voice one.
I am indeed a student, but I could very well be able to help you.
I am indeed a student and I will with you. Lucu banget bang, aku sampai numbuh bulu. Kilua, tolonglah bro, jangan kayak gitu bro.
It was wonderful. I believe I'm really going to enjoy
Ini kayak
this
suara
class.
cewek.
That was quite something.
Normal, bagus. Pitchnya, suara gua
I'm
nggak
eager-
cempreng
I
jadi
am indeed a
gua harus
student,
deep.
but it was wonderful.
Yeah,
I
it was
believe I'm really
wonderful,
going
man.
to enjoy
It was
this
wonderful,
class.
man. Yeah, it was wonderful. Thank you, Pris. Thank you, Pris, untuk like-nya, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Itu rambut lu ketumbahan kopi jago, tuh kan? Bisa nggak sih, gue lagi milih karakter. Ini gue baru milih karakter lu udah kayak begini, bro. Bisa nggak sih, santai dulu aja, bro. Gue lagi milih karakter nih, gue lagi milih suara. Coba, suara gue kan nggak cempreng.
A few. That was quite something. I'm eager to get. It was wonderful.
Yeah,
I
it was
believe I'm
wonderful.
really going to enjoy this class.
You must guess. First name. Nama wizard gue, nama penyihir gue adalah Ajan Dertams ya. Dertams sudah sering banget. Nama gue adalah Beret Ler. Nih. Beret Ler. Jangan ya. Berarti gini. Bret K aja. Bret K. Dormitory Witch. Wizard lah, masa gue jadi witch sih. Let's go. Wah, gila bagus, man. Bagus.
It appears we are almost ready to depart. It's a pity we didn't have a bit more time to spend on spellcasting. I presume you've been practicing the spells we worked on.
I have, Professor.
Professor.
Well, I'm quite sure I've never seen anyone take so quickly to a second-hand wand.
Ya,
You'll be
namanya
a force to be
juga
reckoned with
gua,
when you get
profesor
your
gua kan
own.
jago.
Thank you, Professor Fig. I appreciate you working with me all the time.
Pakai baju Kamerun lah, apa sih? Diem dulu, gue lagi fokus story, man.
Eleazar!
George, glad my rather cryptic description of our location did not thwart your finding us.
I've apparated to more vaguely defined destinations than this.
Ya.
Though I confess I may have miscalculated slightly on my first try. Gave quite the fright to some theatre-goers in the West End.
It's been much too
Ngelek ya?
long. When I received your owl, I must say I...
Best not speak here, Eleazar.
Of course. Why don't we speak en route to Hogwarts? We have a start-of-term feast and a sorting ceremony to get to.
Wonderful idea! As long as your young charge here doesn't mind me tagging along.
Not at all, sir.
After you.
Ages since I've been to the castle. Would be good to see the old pile of rocks.
Patah-patah. Agak nggak patah, tangan gua masih aman. Oh, patah-patah gak kuat kali intinya ya. Oh, patah-patah bro. Coba gua lihat dulu. Berapa ya patah-patah? Coba ntar gua turunin. Boy, lu keluar lu diem
Glad I
dulu.
caught you before you left for Scotland.
Keluar lu diem dulu.
Just barely.
Gue lagi serius.
And who is your traveling companion?
A
Brad?
new student.
My name is Brad K.
New?
Brad K. Brad
Yes,
K.
sir. I'm starting school as a fifth year.
Yeah.
How extraordinary.
It is indeed. None of the faculty has ever heard of anyone being admitted to Hogwarts so late.
Sure.
Nor have I.
Of course, as the other fifth years will have been honing their magical skills for 4 years now, the headmaster asked if I could get our new student up to speed a bit before the term begins.
Oh,
Well,
yeah.
you couldn't have asked for a better mentor. Professor Fig is not only an exceptional teacher, he's also a remarkably intuitive and gifted
Aduh, nggak bisa gue
wizard.
skip kalau gue pengen
Mr.
turunin
Osric
ininya.
is prone to flattery. I dare say it's one of the reasons he's risen so far at the ministry.
Have you seen this?
Gerak dong iniannya.
I have. Opinions differ as to how great a threat Ranrock really is.
Ranrock.
Although
Siapa
I've
Ranrock?
yet to convince my colleagues at the ministry, I believe he is a significant threat. And it was your wife, Eleazar,
Eliezer.
who alerted me to his activities months ago.
Nggak seru banget di game aja lah Valorant.
She
Lu bisa
wrote
diem gak sih? Gue
about
lagi
Ranrock
fokus.
before she died,
Kilua stop dulu, gue lagi
wondering
fokus
what the
story.
ministry knew about his activities.
Dia nyuruh ganti,
Before
sekarang
I
gue udah
could
ganti,
respond,
dia mau...
I received this. It was the last thing she sent me, Eleazar. It came to me via her owl, but with no correspondence. I can only
But she had to
assume,
get rid of it quickly to keep it safe.
presumably from Ranrock. I cannot open it. Whatever magic protects this is powerful indeed.
Biarkan saya
It
saja.
looks like goblin metal. That symbol.
What's that
Goblin
glow?
metal. Goblin metal.
I don't see a glow.
Nor do I.
Dia bisa ngeliat. Emang gimana ya gue masih bisa ngeliat men. Tuh, gue ngeliat. Yap.
Merlin's beard. How did you...
Wait! We did.
Oh my god, naga.
The key!
Biar gue yang ambil sini.
Give me your hand!
Hampir ditelan.
Are you alright?
I'm good, sir.
You're hurt.
Sakit, sir. Dikit, sir.
Perhaps a bit.
Take this. It's Wiggenweld potion. That stuff will
Wiggenweld
right you in a second.
G to heal. Aduh, G lagi. Gue gede sama orang namanya G. Udahlah. Heal aja lah bentar. Heal.
What happened?
Poor George. I can't believe he...
Completely.
What the hell got into that damn thing? Attacking a carriage mid-air? A typical dragon would never...
Would never.
Professor? Sir, where are we?
I'm not sure. But that key you discovered was clearly a portkey. Portkey. An item enchanted to bring whoever touches it to a specific place.
Bagus sih grafiknya ini.
I'm feeling better, sir, if you'd like to look around a bit.
I
Pernah
would,
makan nasi hui nggak bang?
but stay close.
Nasi hui.
We've
Apa
no
nasi
idea
hui
who
itu?
created this portkey. Or
Nasi
why.
huiduk ya? Nasi huiduk. Ya SD tuh mau. Nasi hui. Apa nasi hui? Wah bagus ini game. Bagus ini game. Ya belum sih gua.
Portkey take us?
Farther from London than the carriage travelled. We're somewhere in the Scottish Highlands.
Sir, those
Scottish.
village. Do you
The
think...
Portkey was meant to lead us there? I do. This has not been the day either of us expected. But Miriam sent that Portkey to George for a reason. And I believe that she, and now George, died in pursuit of whatever it was meant to lead to.
Betul, betul.
If you're sure you're all right and wouldn't mind indulging me, I'd like to have a look around.
Absolutely, sir.
Good.
Ayo sir, kita jalan
Let's
sir.
see if we can find a path, however faded
Itu
it may
jalannya
be.
lurus. Gila, grafiknya bagus sih jujur ini.
Mind your step.
Read, follow professor.
Where do you suppose your wife got the Portkey that brought us here?
A good
makan
question.
dong.
Miriam spent
Ntar lu ngapain,
years
sir?
searching for evidence of a long-forgotten form of
ngapain,
ancient
sir?
magic.
Asli sabar ini. Setting dulu, setting. Sabar ini dia. Apa namanya? Oh, grafiknya Ultraman. Iya nggak sih? Kan Ultraman. Hai aja. Why? Coba ya. Ini grafik coba. Ya ini gue turun ini. Masih lag nggak? Masih sih. Tapi nggak sih yang tadi. Coba gue tes. Kayak gara-gara air mancur sih. Nah ini udah nggak begitu sih.
Ancient magic?
Yes, a powerful magic
Masih nge-lag,
wielded
bro.
by
Masih
a
lag,
rare few that seems to have been lost to time. Hogwarts Castle was built by, and is itself a stronghold of that ancient magic. I don't know where she came into possession of the Portkey,
Keren
but
sih
I
ini dia.
am certain it was to do with that search. Ah, there's the path down below. This way.
But sir, why was your wife searching for evidence of lost magic?
Miriam wanted to understand why such powerful magic disappeared from the wizarding world. Spoke of the good it could do. But magic is no different than any power. What really matters is the one who wields it.
Betul sekali. Seperti saya. Saya adalah magician yang bagus.
Is that ice?
It's not cold enough here. It appears to be a sort of enchantment. Someone wanted to block this path.
Biar saya
Let's
buka.
see some of that one work you were practicing. Focus on the center.
Focus on the center. Apa nama jurusnya apa ya? Apa sih? Mediosa apa sih? Asik.
Excellent!
Santai aja sir, gue jago sir. Use your camera to select an active target. Oke. Oke. Wah, masih nge-lag sih, jujur sih masih nge-lag. Gue turunin. Sabar, gue turunin lagi. Tapi ini cuma karena grafik kah? Bang nge-lag shutdown aja pastinya. Bisa diem gak sih? Yalah, capek gua. Masih kula-kula ini.
That was a bit rougher than I'd expected.
Masih bagus, medium.
Your one work's improving with every cast.
Thank you, sir.
Sir. Terus ini. Kenapa badan gue masih ada inian? Kayak ngebug kayak ini ya? Badan gue masih ada runtuh-runtuhan ini.
Up there.
Ini badan gue masih ada runtuh-runtuhan ya. Ini kenapa ini? Kenapa badan gue ketumpahan? Kenapa badan gue ada? Hah?
We're close now. It's just ahead.
Ya Pak, tapi ini baju saya. Tunggu Pak. Tunggu Pak, ini baju saya ngebug Pak. Aduh, nih Pak, gimana sih? Mana sih Pak? Ngasih tahu dulu dong. Ini ada chest di sini. Gua pasti di belakang situ ada. Pak, sebentar Pak, saya cek ininya dulu Pak. Apakah masih nge-lag? Masih nge-frame ya sih? Nge-frame karena strip kali ya. Bagus sih.
Steady yourself.
Oke Pak.
Reparo.
Wah, gila, dibikin jalan. Ya, gua Pak. Oke, ada satu. Ini baju gua masih ada batu-batu turun, kenapa sih?
Almost there.
Almost there, okay. Pak, kita di mana, Pak? Pak, ini baju saya ngebug, Pak.
Why would someone put this here?
I suspect they valued their privacy. That portkey led us here for a reason. Let's have a look around for anything that seems out of place.
Facecam lu nggak nge-lag. Coba tukar aja facecam lu yang digede. Mana ceritanya sih lu kagak make sense tuh kalau kayak gitu. The minimap show your surrounding with atas panah, okay? This is your current objective. Press V to toggle quest. Oke. V buat quest. Explore. Suruh explore. Baru explore dulu. Masih nge-lag ya? Coba lihat coba. Lag gak sih? Lu tuh kayak kadang suka bingung like apa?
Professor, this statue.
This may have been his home.
Who's home, Professor? Kasih jawaban sama Profesor ya. Gua kesini atau gua disuruh naik ya? Sana patah-patah dikit-dikit. Ya udahlah,
That
aku sabar.
enchanted crystallized stone.
Ini aja ngebug ini.
But what could it be blocking?
What could it be blocking? Ini dia bentuknya sama
What's
kayak
this?
kunci nih.
Professor Fig.
Cermin. Prof,
How
ini gimana, Prof?
odd. Why would someone have conjured that enchanted stone here?
And how is there a room behind it?
What room? I don't see anything.
There's that glow again. Like the glow in
Lagi-lagi
the
gue bisa
portkey
melihat
container.
semuanya. Karena gue adalah magician terjago.
What in Merlin's name? Godric's heart. Where are we? I don't believe it.
Teleport. Ini baju gue kenapa masih kayak gini sih? Ada lumpur-lumpurnya gitu loh. Coba abis ini main Scratch bang. Sorry man. Apa tuh Scratch? sorry. Ini tidur. Asli ini game gue masih ngebug ini.
Hello?
Hello. Boleh kali Phantom. Vandal. Iya.
It can't be.
Kan be. Ini banker.
Just a
banker.
moment. Ooh. Where are we here? Welcome to Gringotts Wizarding Bank.
Halo bang.
Vault number 12, I presume.
Sumpah ini masih ngebug, kocak
Precisely.
banget. Nah, masih ngebug.
The key?
Your wife's portkey.
Oh, yes, of course. This way, then.
This way then.
Stay close.
Kereta. Ini masih ngebug ini. Masih ngebug. Ini ngebugnya sampai kapan ya? Masih ada lumpur-lumpurnya. What?
Keep your hands inside the cart if you don't wish to lose them.
Ya. Tapi ini baju saya bisa dibersihin dulu nggak? Itu lumpurnya masih nggak berhenti. Oh, udah bersih,
How many vaults are there?
Oh my
Hundreds.
god.
In fact, you'll see quite a few on our way to vault number 12. As we speak, we're just beneath the main lobby. The vault you see now are the newest.
Are private entrances to the bank common at Gringotts?
They are most uncommon.
bagus.
Only one with great wealth or power, or both, could have arranged for such a service. You'll want to take a breath.
A what?
What?
That waterfall washes away all enchantments. It's a security measure.
Experienced the thief's downfall before, have you?
Heard of it?
These are the lower vaults that we're passing now.
Nah, posternya kayak
Vault
muter-muter
number
gitu loh.
12 was commissioned shortly after Gringotts was founded over 4 centuries ago. It resides in the deepest part of the bank. Settle in. We've
Bawah.
quite a distance to go.
Bang apaan kayak begini?
Vault number.
Gringotts.
Vault 12. Momentous day.
Gringotts.
On your way.
On your way. Ya. Dan sini ada jagain ya.
Professor, the armband that guard was wearing was glowing.
Like the glow you saw on the portkey container?
No, darker. I saw that same glow on the dragon's collar.
Yeah, what was that? We were just wondering about
No
that goblin back
way.
there. He watches over the oldest section of the bank. Rare anyone goes there anymore.
Dia naganya. Gimana bisa dia naganya? Mungkin dia
Here we are.
masih ada lagi batu-batunya. Sumpah, kenapa sih ini batu-batu ini? Oh, udah nggak ada. Udah nggak ada banget.
When was the last time this vault was accessed?
A goblin has been stationed at my desk for hundreds of years. In that time, no one has visited Vault 12 until today.
Till today, oke. Ada yang pernah datang ke sini. Kasih kuncinya. Oh, dikasih.
Vault 12.
Thank you for your help.
Makasih, Pak. Kenapa sih gue selalu begini? Oh, ada chest. Untung gue ngecek. Apa sih? Dapetnya kayak nggak ada kasih tahu pemberitahuan apa-apa. Gue harus cek lagi. Pak.
What do you suppose we should be looking for?
I'm not sure.
Do you suppose
Sir, I wonder if you
The
might...
instructions for Vault 12 indicate that I am to grant access to the holder of the key and then close the door.
Wait!
Professor?
That was certainly unexpected.
Pakai
Let
tadi
me
kunci.
think. There must be something here. Revelio, perhaps?
Revelio.
Revelio?
Revelio.
Yes, a revealing charm. No time like the present. Let's see what we're missing, shall we? Ready your wand and focus.
Sebentar. Space. Ini dari sini ya, oke. Steady your wand, oke. Revelio.
Revelio. There! I saw something.
Move a bit closer and try
Reveal,
again.
Revelio, reveal. Apa yang nggak bisa diambil? Ayo. Ngelut dulu, ngelut.
A door.
Well, that's a start. There's that symbol again. I don't suppose you see a way to...
I do, Professor. That symbol has the same glow as the one I saw on the port key container.
If what you can see reveals the way forward, then I dare say we are about to discover the secret of this vault. Lead the way.
Chat apa, Profesor? Oh, ya.
Lumos!
Jadi serem.
This is
Profesor.
no ordinary vault. I suspect we will need to earn our way out of here.
What do you mean, earn our way out? Do you think this is some sort
Wah,
of test?
gila, keren sih.
I do. But to what end, I can't say. Stay close. There will be no disapparating if things go poorly. Not out of Gringotts.
Oke, Prof. Jalan, Prof. Gue jagain belakang, gue jagain flank. Sih ya. Kosong gitu ya.
I see something up ahead.
What is it?
That glow again, but on the floor.
Apa ini? Lewatin.
Lumos! What happened?
Apa?
When I moved towards the glow, it suddenly seemed as if the ground was swirling about.
Are you all right?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
Ini siapa?
You seem to have caused the floor to change.
That statue.
What statue?
I see some sort of statue, but only as a reflection in the floor.
Oh, aslinya ada di sini tapi nggak kelihatan. Revelio.
Revelio.
I presume this is what you saw reflected in the floor.
It is. The reflection's still
Revelio,
there,
man.
but the statue's positions don't match. Wait. When you moved, the reflection turned in the direction of the light.
Perhaps you should cast Lumos.
Lumos. Oke. Lumos. Lumos. You've acquired the one lighting charm, Lumos, which has automatically been slotted to your spell set. Lumos created a light that at the tip of your wand to help you see in the dark areas. Oke. Satu.
Lumos.
Well done.
Now the reflection is turning towards me. It does follow the light.
Coba. No way. Fine. Let's go. Ini dia yang buat. Wow.
Look out!
Kyo.
Protego!
Protego.
Accio!
Cio.
Descendo! Levioso!
Levioso. Wah, spell gue cuma satu nih.
Confringo!
Weh, ajarin spell dong.
Levioso!
Gue gak ada ini.
Descendo!
Oh, jadi. Aduh, nggak kelihatan.
Defoso! Confringo!
Oh, apa lo? Ayo, sini.
Levioso!
Tadi cara main apa ya?
Confringo!
Kayak deh.
Protego!
Confringo!
Gue nggak bisa nge-heal, serius.
Exposo!
This man, gue nggak bisa nge-heal, man. Stop, please. Guardian.
Exposo! Defoso! Confringo!
Wah, dia orang main nge-charge nih. Review your objective, reveal the way out.
Descendo! Exposo! Levioso! Defoso! Defendo! Lumos!
Itu heal, gue heal dulu.
Stay close!
Close. Profesor, gue jagain belakang, Profesor. Profesor, really, Profesor?
Professor Fig! Professor, where are you? This isn't good.
Kok gue ditinggalin?
Lumos.
Nah, pasti batu-batu ini masih
Where
aja.
am I supposed to go? What's happening? The wisps of magic seem to be leading me somewhere.
The lead of magic supposed to lead me somewhere. Oh, ini dia.
Ah, that's where they're leading me. That glow again.
Men, masuk ke lawan 3, men.
Protego!
R.
Revelio! I suppose I'm on my own this time.
Ada chest. Tunggu. Suaranya kok kayak gitu sih? Revelio. Ini ada chest lagi. Sabar ya, ambil chest dulu. Iya, sorry. Nggak boleh ya. Atau gua harus pakai Lumios.
I need to align these statues with their reflections.
Ya, gua harus pakai Lumios.
Lumos!
Nggak boleh, udah sorry kalau nggak boleh. Ini yuk.
Seems I have no choice. I'm going to have to fight my way out of here.
Betul sekali.
Rebellion.
Potato. Woi, tunggu woi. Woi, mundur woi. Apa lo? Easy man. Q during Protego to stun enemies with a Supplify counterattack. Stun the enemies take extra damage. Indicate by gold numbers. Oke, harus pas deket. Oh my god. Oh, nado dia. Mantap. Heal dulu bro, tunggu. Tunggu.
Lumos. Revelio. Lumos.
Revelio. Pressing itu sprint. Oke. Sabar, tadi ada chest bro. Kasih gua lah. Gua mau chest, tadi ada chest sini.
Lumos.
Hilangin. Profesor gue di sini asik. Gue harus masuk ke dalam. Ada apa sih? Oh, ya kahil ya ini ya di sini ya. Ayo lagi deh. Bisa lagi? Profesor. Sini ya profesor ya.
There you are. How did you... What is this place?
I don't know. But I found this floating above that basin.
Udah hilang.
That is no mere basin. That is a pensive for
That is
viewing memories.
expensive. Ah, beda.
I wonder.
Apa ini kenapa gua ada lumpur-lumpurnya sih? Ini Profesor.
Follow my lead.
Ada aja ya, ngubah mulu gua.
All is in place.
The portkey is well hidden.
Perhaps too well. I wonder if the path we've created...
May be impossible to follow. It will only be impossible for one who cannot see traces of ancient magic as I can.
Your ability to see what others cannot will not be enough, Percival. We are entrusting the one who embarks on this path with powerful secrets, with knowledge others will do anything to obtain.
Yes, and if we are correct, Charles, the witch or wizard who completes the trials will have proven themselves worthy of that knowledge. And the responsibility that accompanies it.
Saya bisa.
We've done all that we can.
That's what you're seeing. The glow that surrounded them.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Astonishing.
Can I see magic?
Traces of an ancient magic, to be precise. The magic that Miriam had always believed existed,
But could never
but could never.
prove.
Miriam, and perhaps George, died in pursuit of knowledge that has been dormant for centuries. And you, it seems, are the key to understanding why. We were...
It all looks rather different than it did a moment ago.
Someone's coming.
Who were they? I don't know. But, sir, you shouldn't be in here.
I was right. Ranrock.
Ranrock.
Seems my reputation precedes me. I was beginning to think no one was ever going to visit Rackham's Vault.
And why are you here?
Bagus sih suaranya.
No need for that. Just give me whatever it is you found here and we can let bygones be bygones.
Sir,
Yah, kena dia.
they have the key to the vault.
Choose your next words wisely.
I only meant that the instructions to Vault 12 were quite clear. Sir, I must insist. I was to grant access only to one with the key, and you didn't have.
I have no patience for traitors. Now, where were we?
I'm not giving you anything.
Tuh.
Well, perhaps your young friend here will be more helpful.
Shit, waduh. Wah, lumpurnya berantakan itu. Kabur. Ini ngapain sih nih? Profesor? Profesor! Prof, kabur, Prof. Tahan, please. Gue bantu tahan sini. Gue bantu. Woi, Prof.
Are you all right?
Fine,
Good,
sir.
yeah. I'm fine.
I've never seen so powerful a goblin. He seemed wholly unaffected by my magic.
Where are we?
It can't be. It seems those who set up the Pensieve, the Locket, and
yang
the
sama.
Path to Both
Wait, wait.
wanted someone with your ability to end up here. Come. We have a sorting ceremony to get to.
Pasti gue masih ngebak. Wah, gila bagus ini. Wow, 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 wow. 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 Oh. Gila, startnya aja udah bagus banget ini, men. Deng 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 deng. Loading. Mediumnya udah kayak gini ya.
Oh, good. We haven't missed the sorting ceremony. I'm no expert, but that seems more appropriate. Now, I need to study this locket as soon as I can, but first I must contact the Ministry. They need to know what happened to George and be warned of Ranrock. For the moment, I ask that you keep all that's happened this evening between you and me.
Of course, sir.
Thank you.
Of course.
Ready for the sorting ceremony?
Let's go. Gryffindor. Dong, gue pengen jadi ini, gue pengen jadi
Phineas Nigellus Black. Prepare yourself to meet the headmaster.
oh namanya.
Fig, nice of you to join us. The sorting ceremony's over.
There were complications.
Complications?
It seems the goblin problem has...
Enough. Goblins. I've no time for rumors, Fig, and I'm rapidly losing whatever patience I had left. If you're lucky, we might still be able to get you sorted this evening.
Okay.
I'll be in touch.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yo. Let's see dapat kelas apa ini.
Professor Weasley!
Gacha, gacha,
One more
gacha.
to be sorted.
Aku ingin menjadi...
Welcome. You're just in time. Have a seat.
Ya, saya sudah duduk, Let's go. Gryffindor.
Ah, yes. A bit older than the others, aren't you?
Betul, tahu aja.
You come here with preferences and preconceptions. Certain expectations.
I can't wait to start class. I can't wait to explore.
I'm looking forward to exploring Hogwarts and the world beyond the castle and grounds.
Indeed. Much can be gleaned by having an adventurous spirit, but your professors have a great deal to teach you as well. I wonder... I detect something in you. A certain sense of... what is it?
Daring. curiosity, loyalty, ambition. Ambition.
Is it ambition? I may seem single-minded, but it is important to go after what you want from life.
Interesting. You've recently learned that you possess a rare ability. I detect a growing sense of ambition, an eagerness for power. Perhaps you belong in Slytherin.
Slytherin? Oh, okay. Accept or choose a different. I'm just gonna accept, bro. Gua mau ganti. Or choose a different house. Slytherin house, known for cunning, ambition, and hunger for power. No, I'm not like that. Go. Gryffindor. Gue mau Gryffindor. Daring, bravery, loyalty. Hufflepuff. Known for patience, loyalty, and hard work. Ravenclaw. Intelligent, creativity, wit, hunger for power. Tapi kalau gue choose sendiri kayak kurang seru gitu loh. Kayak gue pengen ini. Nah. Lanjut.
I detect a growing sense of ambition, an eagerness for power.
Gue coba choose. Kalian choose diganti juga namanya. Gue ganti.
Possess a willingness to forge ahead alone when you must.
Lah bisa milih.
And your loyalty to a friend delayed your arrival here this evening. And you've a ready mind, quick to learn.
Gue Raven sih sebenarnya. Sekarang gue ada.
I detect a growing sense of ambition, an eagerness for power.
Gak begitu, cuma ini udah pertama jadi kayak gue pengen ini aja. The sword.
You belong in Slytherin.
Let's go. Bagus sih, Slytherin. Gryffindor kayak mantap sih, tapi gua hijau.
Oh, and one more thing. Due to the unfortunate injury on the pitch in last spring's final, this year's Quidditch season has been cancelled.
No.
Enough! It's not as though I've banned flying altogether. But don't tempt me. You are here to focus on your academic futures. I'm sure you will have plenty to do before classes begin tomorrow.
Okay.
I said, I'm sure you all have plenty to do before classes begin tomorrow.
Okay. Coba.
Quite an entrance. It's lovely to meet you. I'm...
Professor Weasley, would you be so kind as to show our new student to their common room?
Oh,
I
ini
shall see
Profesor
to it, sir.
Weasley. Dia nulis itu kan, dia nulis.
As I was saying, I'm Professor Weasley. Pleased to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well, Professor.
As Deputy Headmistress, it is my distinct honor to show you to your common room. Right this way. It's quite uncommon for a student to begin as a fifth year. It may be a bit of a challenge, but one I'm sure you're up for.
I can be quite resourceful.
I suspected as much. This is the entrance to the Slytherin common room. In order to enter, one must simply speak the correct password. Aspiration.
Aspiration.
Very well.
Okay. Aspiration.
Aspiration.
Well done. Now, go on in and get some sleep. You have a big day ahead of you tomorrow. I shall be back in the morning to collect you for your first class.
Thank you, Professor Weasley.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your first night at Hogwarts. Sleep well.
Thank you, Professor. I'll sleep. Ini jam berapa sih? Gue harus tidur juga itu. Pasti ada jam 12. Bentar, gue pengen explore dikit.
Looks like everyone's gone. Better head to the common room.
Revelio.
Yang ngumpetin apa? Revelio. Bagus ini game kenapa ya, bagus banget ya. Revelio. Wow. Saya nggak masuk sini. Year 6. Kelas bisa ngeluh.
Revelio.
Lock lagi. Tawan lagi gua. Kabur. Coba ini year berapa? Bisa juga. Wah gila, pasnya bagus ya. Suara-suara gitu. Ya, oke, lanjut. When you're common room.
I suppose some introductions are in order.
We see
That new 5th year must be different. Starting Hogwarts in your 5th year.
I wonder where they're from.
ya namanya juga
They're lucky they
jago.
didn't end up as dragon food. Like that
Seriously.
from Ministry. Did you see the way they just waltzed in at the end of the sorting ceremony last night?
Can't imagine though.
Kayak magic dong motornya. Sebastian Sallow.
Can I help you? Ah, you're the new 5th year. I'm Sebastian Sallow. Welcome to Slytherin.
Thank you.
Not everyone has a ministry escort to school.
He was a friend of Professor Fig's who merely joined us for the ride.
Still, impressive. Dreadful way to go, poor fellow. Glad you and Fig are all right.
It was exciting.
It was dreadful, certainly, but quite an experience nonetheless.
Interesting
Exactly.
perspective. How did you and Fig manage to escape?
It's all still a bit of a blur, to be honest.
Didn't mean to press. You just get yourself settled.
I'm
We
good,
can
man.
talk
I'm
more
good,
later.
man. Nice to meet you. What are you reading? No, what are you reading?
What book were you reading?
A spell book I picked up. Has a few interesting things, but not exactly what I was looking for. I'm sure you'll find out soon enough. But not every spell you may need can be found in our assigned textbooks.
What do you mean?
Are you saying some spells aren't taught at Hogwarts? Which ones?
Seems I may have met a kindred spirit. That is a conversation for another time. It was good meeting you. Good luck today.
Okay, Sallow. Thank you, Sallow. Going to go to the other fellow that wanted to talk to me. Do you want to talk? Perhaps, miss?
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Alright, Imelda Reyes. You guys playing chess?
Not going to move there, are you?
Here, watch this.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Checkmate.
Keren sih.
Told you.
Imelda.
You should have listened to me. Ah, I know who you are. You're the new Slytherin, the one who barged in with Professor Fig last night. Interesting tactic on your first day, taking all the attention away from the first years. I'm Imelda, by the way. Shame I wasn't with you in Fig. I could have lured that dragon away. My skills on a broom are legendary.
Okay. We had it handled. Oh, I wish you had.
Perhaps Professor Fig's friend would have survived if we'd had your help.
Precisely. Perhaps one of these days I'll show you a thing or two about flying. I can teach you more than Kogawa ever could. Speaking of which, I'd like to get in some time on my broom before classes.
I like to get some time. Fly a lot, you seem to have
Do you have a lot of time to fly during school?
I make the time. There's nothing like swerving through the spires of the castle and around the Quidditch pitch to clear the mind.
Okay, okay. Seem to know a lot about wizard
Are you
chess.
a keen wizard chess fan? You knew that boy was going to lose the match.
Not really. Much too sedate a pastime for me. Also, it's simply not that challenging. The moves are always so obvious. Why does no one else see it?
Goodbye, Imelda.
Nice meeting you.
Sama-sama Imelda.
I really hope we get to see, or at least hear one today.
Ominous Gaunt. Ominous Gaunt.
I think I heard one. Doubt mermaids find us that interesting. Ah, based on all the chatter when you entered the common room, I'm guessing you're the new 5th year. I'm Ominous. Ominous Gaunt.
Nice to meet you, Ominous.
Well, you certainly had a memorable arrival.
Memorable? More like terrifying. I do like to make an entrance. No.
I'd much rather have arrived on time and without a dragon attack en route.
I'm sure. How horrible. I can only imagine. Well, it's good to have you in Slytherin. Do let me know if I can be of any help as you navigate your first days here.
Thank you, man. Do mermaid after it appears.
Did that student say he thought he heard a mermaid?
Yes, but I've never heard of a mermaid showing up outside our common room window. It is fun to play along, though. Been known to keep some first years on the lookout for hours.
You suspect you'll be in Slytherin?
Were you expecting to be sorted into Slytherin?
Most certainly. My family on my father's side are direct descendants of Salazar Slytherin, one of the 4 founders of Hogwarts. Not something I'm especially proud of, mind you. He was obsessed with blood status, a pure-blood maniac. Unfortunately, most of his descendants do not fall far from that tree.
Okay, man.
Thank you, Ominous. Very nice to meet
Ominous.
you.
Pleasure was all mine.
Ominous Gaunt.
Don't be a stranger.
Of course, man.
Is the new 5th year Slytherin in here? Professor Weasley's waiting for you just by the stairs.
Okay, wait a second. I'm still exploring the castle. Enak sini lagunya. Lompat nggak? Sampai. Tidak. Nggak bisa. Lompat nggak bisa. Nggak bisa ya, Pak? Pancing bisa ngomong. Ya no. No way. What the?
Even if I knew how to get them to
She's always showing off about her puff-skiing grooming. Fur like silk, what shine? Ugh, I could be sick. People who boast are insecure. That's what my mother told me. You know that?
Gimana sih? Oh, di atas.
If I'm honest, I wish I had something to boast about.
Revelio.
Good morning. I trust you're ready for your first day at Hogwarts?
I've been dreaming of this day for a long time. Can't believe I'm here.
Well, you are here. Make the most of it. You only have one first day at Hogwarts. Now, in light of your unique situation, joining us as a fifth year, you'll need to catch up with your classmates and not fall behind. Especially as you'll be expected to complete your OWLs at the end of the year.
OWLs? Owls?
Yes, your ordinary wizarding level exams. They will determine what type of career you can have when you leave here. After much discussion with the headmaster and the Department of Magical Education at the Ministry, we've devised something extraordinary to ensure your success.
Okay.
Here you are.
What is it?
It is a wizard's field guide. It will help you to keep track of what you are learning so that you master all that's expected of a fifth year. You would be wise to take full advantage of this exceptionally valuable resource.
Dapat buku. Mana itu?
Thank you, Professor, but what do you mean it will keep track of what I'm learning?
Perhaps seeing it in action will answer any questions you may have. Walk with me and we shall put it to the test. This way.
Sabar, Profesor. Saya ngeluh dulu, Profesor.
I certainly would have appreciated something like the field guide when I was a student. Using the guide will also train you to be alert to your surroundings. The guide will give you opportunities to practice your magic and educate yourself about wizarding lore.
Ular, man. Pintunya dari ular. Keren sih, Slytherin.
Do keep up.
Gerak ya matanya.
Why don't you cast Revelio on that statue and see what details the field guide can provide?
Okay.
Revelio.
The Spick, the Kelpie, a shape-shifting water demon native to Ireland and Great Britain, which usually takes the form of a long-maned horse. The largest Kelpie ever posted is the Loch Ness Monster in Scotland. Kayak kuda gitu ya, kayak kuda campur mermaid. Which is unlock field guide challenge you. Your progress towards completing challenge appears here. Okay. Dikit ya. Okay. XP. Challenge. 1%. Okay. Keren dia megang.
Clever, isn't it? Keep your eyes open for more opportunities like that, inside and outside of the castle.
Okay, Mom. Man. Sorry, Miss. Tuh, Chessa kelihatan dari sini. Atasnya nggak bisa dibuka ya. Lihat nih ular nih. Gila keren sih. Kayak ini game keren sih. Jujur keren banget.
Ah, good timing. Perfect opportunity to show you how to use flue flames to get around a bit quicker. Your field guide contains a map of the castle. Open it up and find Central Hall.
Open that. Oke. Ini gue di sini. Select the Grand Stairs region. Escape. Oke. Select the Library Annex. Gak mungkin dong gue langsung bener dong ini. Wesley unlocks use A and D to rotate the map. Oh, and fast travel to the Central Hall fluid. Bisa fast travel, padahal ini satu kampus doang ya, males kayak dia. Hint. Emote.
And here we are. Quite the time saver. These stairs lead directly to Central Hall.
Ooh, okay.
You can get almost anywhere in the castle quickly from Central Hall. Always something happening here. It's the heart of the Hive. Our King's Cross station, so to speak.
When Howin said draw a session.
That should be all for now. You'll be expected to attend both Charms and Defense Against the Dark Arts classes today. And I'd like to be sure you get to Hogsmeade as soon as possible to replace the supplies you lost on the way here.
Thank you, Professor. Gue pengen udahan sih. Gue pengen tidur, Professor. What's Hogsmeade?
You mentioned Hogsmeade, Professor.
Hogsmeade is the only all-wizarding village in Britain and is home to an array of shops and pubs. You should be able to find all of the school supplies you require in Hogsmeade. You will also, I imagine, enjoy many a butterbeer there with friends in due course.
What exactly is defense?
Can you tell me more about the Defense Against the Dark Arts class?
Defense Against the Dark Arts, as the name implies, focuses on how to defend oneself against the evils that lurk beyond these walls. A mastery of Defense Against the Dark Arts is required for those who aspire to become Aurors. Fortunately, we are lucky to have the ever-gifted Professor Hecat in charge of our students' education in that regard.
Okay. Can you tell me more about the charm?
What will I learn in Charms class?
Exactly what you might expect. Spells, charms, jinxes, all terribly useful. I think you will enjoy Professor Ronan. He's a clever and entertaining wizard, and a talented teacher.
Okay, thank you, Professor. I want to sleep now.
Thank you, Professor Weasley.
A lot to absorb on your first day, and you have much to learn. Happily, your professors have agreed to create additional assignments for you outside of class. You'll be up to speed in no time. Judging by your adept use of Revelio earlier, I'd say Professor Fig succeeded in at least showing you the basics.
He did, Professor.
He's been terribly vague as to the events preceding your arrival, specifically about what happened after that awful dragon attack. My suspicion is that there's more to the story than a search for belongings and an extended trip up to the castle.
Terus kan? Maksudnya nggak ada.
I'm sorry, Professor, but I'm afraid that's all there is to it.
Almost precisely what Professor Fig said.
Dia tahu dong.
Speak of the devil, Professor Fig. Your ears must have been burning.
Oh?
Yes. You seem to have provided our new fifth year with a solid foundation in the basics of spellcasting.
Ah, I'm afraid I can't take all the credit there, Professor. They've a rare aptitude for magic, it seems.
Well, I'm just glad you both arrived in one piece. Perfectly good boats and carriages to Hogwarts, and you chose to fly in the path of a dragon.
I wouldn't say I chose the dragon's path, Professor. Rather unfortunately, it would seem that it chose us.
Very well. Enough chit-chat. I need to get to class myself. Might I rely on you, Professor Fig, to explain the details of the field guide's map?
Of course.
Thank you. Good luck today. And remember to use your field guide. It will be invaluable to you. And invaluable to me, as I'll be using it to keep up to date on your progress.
Yes, Professor.
Come and find me in my classroom after you've attended both classes today, and I'll explain more about those assignments I mentioned. And we'll see if we can't get you to Hogsmeade for those supplies.
Profesor. Saya mau tidur dulu, Profesor ya. Ini game bagus. Ini game sangatlah bagus. Duh, gue sakit. Ini game sangat bagus. Gue sakit. Tapi gue udah. Jadi kayaknya gue. Ya, Profesor ya. Gue udahan dulu ya. Ntar gue bangun lagi. Oh, apa tuh terbang. Oke. Jadi terakhir tuh tadi sebelum ini disuruh ketemu sama si profesor. Satunya lagi tuh dia profesor cewek. Ngobrol dulu sama Profesor Fig. Coba gue bisa nge-save ya. Ntar gue save ya. Oke. Sekian live hari ini.